Have you noticed any changes in the climate?
Yes.
Like what?
It's gotten warmer.
As we get warmer, now it's just instant heat.
Gotten hotter.
They're hotter.
Warmer.
Where it's like over 100 degrees for extended periods of times when it was never really much more than 80.
Well, I remember being able to go hunting as a kid, a deer every year. We'd limit out on fish. We see all the animals, all the deer pushed up higher. The fish are harder to find. The water levels are lower, so a lot of their habitat is gone.
When I grew up here farming, I suppose it affected on water years, but it just makes it bad crop year. You can't feed the cows.
A lot of snow, and then it all melted out. Like water levels were super high, and
winter was so bad that it changed the ground and cracked the house.
Yeah, I'd say flooding.
Flooding all over the roads.
Floods that's happened here are flooding.
the flooding.
Everywhere's flooded.
Major flooding.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of glacial retreat in the Tetons of the Wind Rivers. Yeah, it kind of ruins ice climbing, for one thing.
Snow has gotten, there's been less and less snow each winter.
Less snow, it dries up the ground, and it definitely is harder for farming.
Of course, we have more droughts than we've ever had.
Drought conditions for a lot of crops across Idaho in particular have been impacted.
It's affected a lot of the farmers because we're needing water for irrigation.
There's a lot more fires than it used to be.
Because of our change in water level, we've had a lot more risk of wildfire.
Yeah, I think 2-3 years ago we had a big fire and everyone had to evacuate. A lot of nature got destroyed, and some houses got burned down too.
Like multiple really severe fires, like a Baker Creek fire.
Air quality.
Air quality has been...
The air quality of
Smoke is so...
Smoke
depression, I guess, is what I would say.
Do you guys think there's anything we can do about climate change?
Not that I know of.
I'm not sure.
Don't really know what to do about it. You just kind of cry about it.
And doing more solar.
solar
panels.
Solar power.
Like for solar panels, like just doing green energy, like windmills.
Driving better cars and driving less, and
Electricity cars.
Electric car.
Electric vehicles.
Reducing your carbon footprint.
Like carbon caps, carbon taxes.
Less carbon emissions. We as ranchers trying to eat off these natural resources that come back, the renewable resources, grass and everything, so that
You stop using fossil fuels and start protesting, I guess.
In Japan, we have a lot of trains. Our train system is very efficient. Having more access to public transportation can also help. Big corporations.
And the big corporations,
Hold corporations
Accountable for the unsustainable choices that they make.
I think we need to start investing in climate education. I think we need to start investing in green jobs. And I think we need to start investing in green agriculture.
elect people.
Voting.
It really is going to come down to voting. Politicians need to have a better understanding of what we're looking for.
and put pressure on our congressmen, senators, and the entire world.
You have to petition your government. And if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem.
It's gonna take everybody.
Well, this is our earth. It belongs to all of us, and it's all of our responsibility to do so.